this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to claim your Panini Free Pack. Let's get started. First, head over to this website, FIFA Collect or FIFA Panini Collection website. If you don't already have an account, create one using your email address or FIFA ID. If you already have an account, simply sign in. New users are eligible to claim a free Panini pack after registering. Once you are signed in, look for the Panini Free Pack promotion on the home page or in the available drop section. Click Claim or Claim Free Pack. If this is your first time, the free pack will be added to your account automatically. If you are using the FIFA Panini Collection app, you can also receive free packs by signing in with your FIFA account. Registered users receive daily free packs, and additional packs may be available through special promotions and promo codes. After claiming your pack, open it to reveal your digital stickers and add them to your collection. If you don't see the free pack option, make sure you are signed in with the correct account and check whether the promotion is currently available in your region or for your account. And that's it, you have successfully claimed your free Panini pack. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.